With all the hype that we're seeing around AI, it's really easy to forget the human element. This is especially true in the customer service arena, where, let's face it, it's all about people. Like it or not, emotions play a big role in contact centers, and it's important to bear this in mind when looking at potential AI projects. How important is the journey to the customer? How sensitive is it to them? How complicated is each interaction for both the customer and the advisor? Some interactions, like notifications of bereavement, for example, will always be emotionally charged and unsuitable for automation. Some interactions may be highly complicated, with a large degree of risk, and should therefore always be fronted by a real person. But even with highly emotional and complicated interactions, AI can offer the advisor additional support. It can summarize the last conversation held with the customer, for example, or automatically display knowledge articles based on what is being discussed in real time. It may help you to plot your customer journeys on this diagram to help you determine the shape of your AI strategy. You may find some quick wins in the bottom left-hand corner when it comes to interactions that are simple and transactional in nature, but those in the top two quadrants will definitely require more consideration. If you would like help on your AI journey, please contact us for free of charge consultancy from our own contact center and AI specialists.